Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. I'm so grateful we found each other today. My name is Jimmy, and I'll be leading you in a quick mindful meditation for beginners. If you like this guided meditation, please subscribe by clicking the button below. We'll be posting new meditations weekly and love to share good vibes to help you connect with yourself and your loved ones. When you're ready, take a few moments and find a comfortable seated position, in a chair or on a cushion on the ground. You can also lie down on your back. Allow your eyes to close or cast your gaze downwards a few feet in front of you. Breathing through your nose, take a few deep breaths and arrive here. Feel your body where it makes contact with the ground, your feet, your thighs. Sit with a tall spine, like a tree, but not too stiff. Let yourself find some ease here too. And let your hands rest wherever is most comfortable, maybe on your lap or your thighs. And as we arrive here and now, let's begin to slowly count our inhalations and exhalations in a simple breathing exercise. Inhale for 3 seconds, and then exhale for 3 seconds. Now, try to inhale for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds. At the end of your exhalation, and just before you inhale, there's a pause. Do you notice it? There's also a pause at the end of your inhalation and just before you exhale. Hold your breath in this pause and slowly count to 4. For example, you breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Breathe out for 4 seconds. And then hold your breath for 4 seconds. Over and over. This is called box breathing. If you feel the need to gasp for air, back off a bit and focus on a smooth transition between your in-breath, the out-breath, and the pauses in between. This breathwork is a simple and powerful relaxation technique to help clear the mind, improve focus, and relax the body. And it can be used any time of the day for 2 to 3 minutes to bring ease to yourself. And as we continue, you may notice your mind has wandered and you've lost count. Even the most advanced meditators experience this. It's part of the practice. Simply begin anew and count to 4 on your next inhalation. When you notice your mind has wandered, this is an opportunity to be kind to yourself rather than criticize yourself. The more we practice this kindness to ourselves in meditation, the more it'll show up in our day-to-day lives. As we wind down this guided meditation, let go of the counting and allow your breath to slowly and gently return to its natural rhythm. Notice the effects of the meditation. Perhaps the mind has slowed down and is less scattered. Maybe your body feels more relaxed. take a moment and thank yourself for practicing today. May the benefits of this practice bring ease, peace, and freedom from suffering to you in your day and to all. Slowly deepen your breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Please comment below on what you noticed in your meditation. And if you'd like to continue your practice, click the link for a seated or walking meditation. See you tomorrow.